You're not broke. You're just wasting money. Frugal living isn't punishment. It's power. In 2025, spending smart is survival. Rich people cut what doesn't grow money. Poor people spend to look rich. Let's fix that, tip by tip. 1. Make a budget and stick to it. A budget is your money's GPS. Without one, your finances drift aimlessly. Start with income, subtract all expenses. Use apps like Mint or YNAB. Example: if you earn $1,000 monthly, limit rent to 30%. That's $450. Assign every dollar a job, every one. Update your budget weekly, not just monthly. Budgeting isn't restriction, it's financial freedom. 2. Set financial goals. Goals give your budget direction. No goal? You'll spend without thinking. Example: save $50,000 for emergency fund. Set a deadline, 3 months max. Break it down, $4,000 weekly target. Track your progress visually, use charts. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Goals make frugality feel purposeful. 3. Cut back on subscriptions. Audit your subscriptions now, seriously. Streaming, gym, cloud storage, random apps. Do you actually use Netflix and Hulu? Trim down to 1, maybe 2. Example: cut 3 services at $10,000 saved. Use free trials smartly, then cancel. Set calendar reminders before auto-renewals hit. Eliminate silent bank drains today. 4. Cook more meals at home. Eating out is an expensive habit. 1 meal out yields groceries for 3 days. Learn 5 go-to budget meals now. Example: rice, beans, and vegetables to 1.5 total. Batch cook on weekends, freeze leftovers, invest in basic kitchen tools. Homemade food, it'll healthier plus cheaper. Make your kitchen your ATM. 5. Buy generic instead of name. Brands stop paying for logos and labels. Compare ingredients. They're often identical. Example: ibuprofen versus generic painkiller, same result. Grocery brands like Great Value save money. Test generics one by one. Switch gradually to build trust. Brands sell image. You're buying product. 6. Use cashback and coupons. Before you buy, search for deals. Install browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten. Use cashback debit credit cards responsibly. Example: $1,000 cashback monthly, $12,000 yearly. Combine cashback with promo codes for extra savings. Sign up for store loyalty rewards. Couponing is strategic, not cheap. 7. Embrace second-hand and thrift shopping. Pre-owned doesn't mean poor. It means smart. Example: $30,000 suit for $5,000 at thrift store. Buy furniture, clothes, electronics second-hand. Use Facebook Marketplace, Gigi, Craigslist. Always inspect before buying used items. Avoid buying new if pre-owned exists. Thrifting is a millionaire habit. 8. Limit impulse purchases. Impulse spending wrecks budgets. Use the 24-hour rule always. See something you want? Wait 1 day. Example: wanted $8,000 shoes. Next day, regret. Make a wants list instead of buying. Sleep on purchases. Buy intentionally. Control the urge. Control your future. 9. Cancel unused memberships. Memberships are often money leaks. Example: gym charging $1,000 monthly, never go. Review bank statements every 30 days. Ask, do I use this monthly? Cancel if the answer is rarely. Every unused membership is wasted cash. 10. DIY. When possible, YouTube is the best free university. Fix small problems before hiring help. Example: leaky tap. Watch a 5-min tutorial. DIY saves $5,000 plus every month. Learn basic car, plumbing, home maintenance skills. Your skills reduce your expenses fast. 11. Make saving automatic. Don't save what's left. Save first. Set automatic transfers to savings account weekly. Example: $500 weekly equals $6,000 yearly. Use split deposit with payroll if possible. You'll save without even noticing. Automate your future wealth. 12. Shop smart and plan ahead. Plan purchases. Avoid last-minute splurges. Make a list. Stick to it. Use meal plans to guide grocery shopping. Example: buying in bulk saves $1,500 annually. Buy off-season clothes, winter jackets in summer. Smart planning beats urgent spending. Final thoughts: frugal equals freedom. Frugality isn't sacrifice. It's strategy. You're not being cheap. You're being wise. Spend where it matters. Cut where it doesn't. Want to build wealth? Start here. Your wallet is your responsibility. Don't let money control you. Control your money and your future.